fans would likely vote for me. So, and my fans as well. So I
don't campaign for votes.
Oh, sorry, big brother. So I just feel that way. I feel I will survive, big brother. But I'm not very sure though.
So this brings me to the comment I saw the last time. I said I'm not going to talk about it, but this video had made me bring it out. So the association of Doublekay group, they now had to place a statement on them concentrating more on Kelly and leaving Kassia, even if both of them are off a vision, or now that they are heading to the finals, so that the two of them will not be competing for the prize and the votes will be divided, so it should be channeled in one person. Now, so many people have their opinions. People were like, oh, why would they do that? So many people called them out and was like, does it mean that Kassia will not win? Does it mean that she's not supposed to win? As if Kelly wins the money, he's going to give it to her. Men and their pride and ego. So many things were just going on. So what I just derived from the conclusion is, I asked a question, because my attention was drawn to that. I was like, what did the family of the girl say? So according to what I heard, the family of the lady, which is Kassia, supported the idea of them voting Kelly. Now, you will know that for them to support that, it means that the husband, which is Kelly, is a very nice person and can be able to take care of the girl. So who are we now to contradict to what the family just decided, since the family of the girl has made their own to support the guy? And now it's more like a fan war now between the fans of Kelly and the fans of Kassia. How are we going to do this whole thing? They are just lucky the grace followed them from the very day they entered the house, even without doing much in the house, just because they said that they are married, and the housemates will not know, made people just fall in love with them. And the only thing now that wants to shatter this whole situation now is who is going to stay and who is going to go, who is going to win and who is not going to win. Now we are not related to these people. And for the girls' people, I mean the family, to support Kelly and be like, okay, this is the person we support. Who are we now to go against, or who are you as a voter to? You just have to fall in love with your fan, and whatever they say, you do. So maybe they want to give it to the guy to establish himself and then take care of his family, because giving it to the other woman in their own mind is that it may not worth it being in her hand, because it's still the same then that we share the money and do the whole stuff. Do you understand? Remember, it's not just him and the lady. There are people that were there to, support them, handle their social media pages and all of that. They will still sort of those people out. I believe that for them to get married, they know themselves, they understand themselves. I don't know. He may take care of her very well, because after all, he's been taking care of her in the house. But we don't say so if such amount of money enters Kelly's hand. Based on the story I've had him say in the house, he came out from nothing to something. So I don't know if this money is going to change his personality based on the way he was before, or based on the way he is currently. Do you understand? So I don't see why people need to be dragging this issue, but why I decided to speak about it is based on what Kassia just said in the diary session, that she knows that she'll be kept in the house till the finals, meaning that she's not even thinking, okay, let me step down so that Kelly will go, or maybe I just have to be the one to win too. Do you understand? Now, I don't really want to think the other way around, so that people will not start dragging me. So, but I just hope at the end of the day, their fan base make a very wise decision and a wise choice to keep this money for the right person that can handle it. On the normal, in an African setting, of course, it's always the man that they will call to take care of it, because after all, he's the head of the house. But nobody's thinking about the wife, because they feel like, oh, what are you going to do? How are you going to cope and maintain the family status quo and all of that? This is another phase of life they are going to face. So I believe they're going to take their time to get used to it. But for the meantime, I would also like to know your opinion in this situation, to be honest. What do you actually think? Does Kassia deserve it more than Kelly, or Kelly deserve it more than Kassia? I would also like to know your opinion, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.